Today I'm going to show you how to convert your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. So first of all, I want to inform you honestly that there is no way you can directly convert your Amazon balance to your account. So for that, I have an alternative way. First thing you can do is you can buy something with that gift card and you can sell it on Amazon. And the second way is there is sometime noticed or even to resell the gift card on Amazon, so you can easily sell it to the Amazon. And the another thing is you can contact with customer service. If you click the three dot button, you'll be able to see help button or contact support, something like that, and you can easily get support from Amazon. You can see a customer service option. You can tap on it and you can contact with customer service to talk about this matter. And the foremost thing you can do is you can sell your gift card in the other website. Like if you go to the Chrome browser or any other browser and you search for like sell Amazon gift card, you'll be able to see many website here. You can use any of it and you can sell your gift card and you can have your balance to your bank account. Other than these ways, there is no other way. And so don't waste watching the other videos. This is the valid information you have got. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.